Jennings Forest in Middleburg, Florida. Me and my friends here are going to do a backpacking trip from today to tomorrow, just overnight. And so I have my big backpack here with all my gear in it. And then once we go set up camp, which is 2 miles away, then I have my Solomon running vest, where we're just gonna go get some running and hiking miles and see how many miles we can fit in today. I'm super excited to take you guys on this adventure, as I think it's gonna be really, really cool. So thanks for tuning in. All right, guys, we just set up camp on Jennings Forest and we're setting off on our journey for about 20 miles or so. So it's nice and cool right now, but we're kind of all already sweaty, and I think temperatures are supposed to get to around 100 today, so it's going to be definitely interesting. And we've only had one tick so far, so pretty good. Here we are, about 7.5 miles into our hiking slash running slash adventuring. We're just chilling, eating and hiking all day. We're going to a little swimming hole right now, which is gonna be really fun to swim in and cool off because it is hot. We are all soaking wet because it is like 100 degrees. So definitely fun times, but yeah. Easton and Zach back there. They're just hiking on the Pioneer Trail right now, so. Guys, we just hit 10 miles. We're getting super close to our swimming hole that we're gonna, hang out and eat lunch at for a little while. Allegedly. There's an alleged swimming hole up here that we hope is there so we can swim up, cool off, because it is about 12 o'clock in the day in this Florida heat. So luckily this trail is super shaded, so we're staying not out of the direct sun, but yeah, we're getting close, I hope, and yeah, fun day so far. We finally made it to the swimming hole, so we're just hanging out, swimming, about to get some lunch, and then hit the trail again. I think everyone's kind of dreading their lives right now, but it's fun, I think. Fun for now, at least, until it starts getting really hot, but yeah, good times. Heading over here to our little, not campsite, but our lunch spot, so. Peace out. Got my sesame crisp, tearing it up at lunch right now.
Under the pale light, your hand found mine.
Give some people whiplash. All right, guys, we just Went to the swimming hole, swam, and then ate some lunch and just chilled for a little bit and regained our ground. We're a little bit over 11 miles in right now, so we're heading back to camp. I think we're all looking forward to some dinner and to stop hiking, so I'll catch in with you guys in a few minutes. Peace. Almost went the wrong way.
When I saw you in the full moon, your eyes were rivers, the world fell away. One quiet promise we didn't need to say. Full moon shining down, secrets in silver sound. Every shadow told the truth when I saw you in the full moon. Now when the night sky glows, I feel your hand in mine. The full moon remembers what we left behind. Full moon shining down, secrets in silver sound. Every shadow told the truth when I saw you in the full moon.
Just got me a new walking stick. Oh my gosh. making our way to camp right now. It's like, check the time, 2:50, so, you know, it's extremely hot. And we're just kind of taking our time. Luckily, we're in a lot of shade, so we're not getting cooked too badly, but definitely feel the heat, chugging tons of water. And yeah, just making our way right now. Ready to be done for the day so I can eat and chillax, chill like a villain. But we're just gonna keep trucking along here, and I'll update you guys soon. All right, guys, we're 16 miles in to our hike. It just started raining, but it honestly feels amazing because it is so freaking hot. So we're just absorbing this rain like a bunch of frogs and living our best lives out here. So I think we're less than like 4 miles or 3 miles to the campsite. So we're just honestly getting ready to get there and just hang out for a while and yeah, see where the night takes us. So we'll keep on trucking along in this rain, and I guess I'll update you in a minute here. This is a really cool shot. I don't know if you can see all that rain coming down, but we definitely can feel it. Yeah, literally. Thank God, because it was getting toasty. All right, guys, so Zach just headed home. He hurt his ankle a little bit, so he decided to call it a day. And we just hit 19 miles. So Easton and I are heading back to camp, but Easton actually has to go home as well. Some family issues came up, so looks like it's just gonna be me tonight hanging out at camp. So we're gonna head to camp real quick, and I'm going to just maybe make some dinner, which I'm freaking starving, and just hang out in my tent all night because I think it's going to be raining. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. We're gonna head back to camp and pack up all of his stuff. So yeah, good day so far. All right, guys, so I just sat in my car for a little bit. I think the thunderstorm has passed. I am currently now making the trek back to camp, and there I'm going to contemplate if I'm going to stay the night or if I'm just going to head home. All right, guys, so I'm actually deciding to head out tonight. This makes it only a one-day trip just because they both had to leave for some emergency reasons, and I was hanging out. I ran back to the car, and then I came back to camp, and it's just rainy. And I was like, I really just don't want to be here all night by myself. So calling it quits. You know, it's about 7 o'clock right now, and I think after I get back to my car, I'll probably have to put up 24-ish miles today, which is pretty good, you know, considering. And yeah, I'm just gonna pack home. I'm currently carrying like a 50-pound pack right now. So this pack is like insanely heavy. I actually took a picture of it. I'm gonna add a picture of it to the screen right now. You'll see it. So it's absurd, but I'm hiking my way back about a mile back to my car, and I'm heading home and getting Taco Bell. So peace out. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. It is truly amazing. I'm able to make some of these, so I promise I'm gonna come back with an overnight camping trip soon. Just today was not the day. I'm sorry for that. So I'll see you guys soon. I actually have a couple races this month, so you guys will see some race videos next. And then maybe a Georgia video. So stay tuned for that one. All right, guys, peace out. Alright guys, I just wanted to let you know I'm on my final stretch home. I've been here for over 12 hours. And that is a mixture of hiking for 24 miles, strictly hiking, and then also, you know, setting up camp, taking down camp because, you know, plans change, and just having fun out here. So yeah, I'm gonna turn the camera around real quick. Well guys, I am at my car, finally, and it just starts pouring. I mean, you can see the rain kinda. It's pouring down rain, so I'm so happy to be home, or in my car. We're gonna load up and get out of here. Peace!